Hello everybody, welcome back to Squid's Kitchen. That's me, Squid. Okay, tonight's recipe, you're going to love this one. Super masara. Fish, Isda. I know you all love Isda, don't you? Looks like a snake, doesn't it? Isda. 2 or 3 eggs. A little bit of salt. Some breadcrumbs. And flour. And that's all you're going to need for this recipe. Okay, I'll show you how it's done soon. And here's how we prepare it. You've got the fish chopped up into whatever size you want, but you can use anything, chicken, pork, anything you want. There's your eggs, they're all being mixed with the fork. That's your flour, breadcrumbs, and this is the order we do it in, okay? Fish, eggs, flour, breadcrumbs, and then back to the start. And I'll show you how to make it extra crunchy, crispy. It's very simple how to do that. Okay, let's start with the first one. Just put it in there, get it all nice and egged up. Then it's the turn of the flour. Get the flour on. Into the breadcrumbs. And then what we do is we start again. Back into the flour. It's always messy doing this, but it's worth it. Back into the breadcrumbs. There we are. And now that's your first one all ready to go into the deep fry. And it's going to be extra crispy when it comes out. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, that's all your fish. It's all been double coated 2 times in the everything, in the breadcrumbs. And now we're going to deep fry it. Then you're going to see just how crispy it's going to be. Crunchy, crispy. You're going to have to come closer because you won't believe how this is. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? And it's very, very crispy, crunchy. Look at that. Just like on the Jollibee, eh? These are a little bit more cooked. These are not too much, but they're all very, very crunchy. You're going to love the taste. Okay, see you in my next recipe. Now tell me what you think of this one. And now, just to show you how crispy, 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 crunchy they are in masarap, listen to this. Doesn't that sound crunchy? Have fun and come back in the next recipe. See you soon.